Maple Rose here. Let's talk about fringing. Now I'm going to give you a couple of ways to sew fringing onto a couple of pairs of high-waisted undies. Alright, so do you have a sewing machine and want to try something a little bit extra? Well, we're going to get our fringing and we're going to sew a straight line along the bottom of our undies, straight along the butt. Now, on our machine, we want to make sure that we're on a very wide zigzag stitch. Reason being is that when you stretch a zigzag stitch, it will go straight. As if you use a straight stitch, when you pull it on, all those stitches are just going to come apart. So what we're going to do, we're going to place our undies just with the leg right at the foot of the sewing machine, and you're going to fold over your fringing and place it all underneath the foot. So I've got my fringing, which is non-stretch, and then I've got my underwear, which is stretchy. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna pull the undies while this stays straight. So we've sewn in a straight line, nice little zigzag stitch all the way along. We're then going to give that fringing a nice good steam. And we've got a cute little fringy bum.